First
This
class.
is Morganstown. This train is for Airport Terminal 2. The next station is Stepford Airport Central. Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. The next station is Stepford Airport Central.
Platform 1, for 21, 11, Stepford next service to Stepford Airport Central.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Airport Central.
12. Airlink
Please
service
mind
to
the gap
Airport
between
Terminal
the
2.
train and the platform.
Calling at Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. This train has 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of this train. The train now approaching Platform 0 terminates here. This train is the service from Benton